If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being.
Thanks for checking out the video today, and we're looking at the Travelodge budget hotel at the London Excel. It's a great location between two DLR stations and also in the hub of hotels around the Excel Centre. It's perfectly located for either an exhibition at the Excel or, as we did, a trip into central London. The room we're going to actually be looking at today is their plus room, which is located on the 4th floor. It's about £10 extra than a standard double room, and you get some upgraded, I should call them luxuries maybe, such as a Lavazza coffee machine, hot chocolate. Actually, that's about all you get extra. These aren't to be confused with Travelodge's super rooms, which also offer a choice of pillows, three jet shower, and ironing board. In the plus room, you will get the standard bathroom and shower of a normal room, but you do get blackout curtains. Really confusing. Not sure why there's so many different tiers of rooms. Keep on watching for my verdict and the reason you shouldn't stay at this hotel. So this is a room tour of Travelodge at Excel London. Super room, or whatever they call it.
Premier, Excel Plus.
Excel Plus, something like that. Hello. Standard bathroom really, nothing different. Some towels on the floor. Shower was okay, not too bad, but the shower tray and curtain design is awful. The first night everything just all leaked on the floor, and this was a big puddle, so we had to use paper towels to clean it up. The shower curtain doesn't sit very well in there, so if you're not watching what you're doing, that's going to make a mess. Oh, I can't even, it's too hot. It's too hot. So in the main room, you've got a nice owl and pussycat picture on the wall. And this saying that they will regulate the temperature. Get onto that in a bit. USB by the bed though, that's good. Little light. And then this bit is a light that turns on, but it's not on now. Weird antibacterial remote, clean remote. It feels so odd. But anyway, it works enough. Nice comfy bed, nice comfy pillows. Deceptively comfortable chair in the corner, which is actually quite nice. Although I've just noticed they've left the bit for the price tag on, so hopefully that means it's new. Fake can't steal them coat hangers. Although I guess if you got these hooks in your wardrobe at home, you could steal them. Up there was 2 pillows, but they're there on the bed, so I've just put towels up there. Beautiful view of whatever road that is, the A something or not, and the Moxie Hotel across the road. There's a car park down there that you have to pay for. The world's tiniest window. Again, we'll get onto the window and the temperature in a minute. Lovely big mirror. Number 1 fan, number 2 fan. TV, which I think is wonky. Defo is wonky. Oh, but you can fix it. There we go. It's not. Oh. It is wonky still. No, it's not wonky now. Bed menus for not room service, but if you want to go down to the bar, they've got a nice good meal deal on at the minute, $15.95. All the condiments have gone. Sorry. Coffee pod machine, kettle, didn't use, but I'm sure it's nice and clean inside. 2 cups. No glasses. Didn't get any glasses, did we? No glasses, that's unusual. Swivelly chair, so you can actually see 2 people in this room. Little bit under there. But yeah. Right. Okay.
Wipe the sweat off it.
Yeah. Right, so unusual on a room view that I sit down and give an opinion not of the room but of the hotel. Actually, the staff were really lovely. The check-in was nice and quick. The girl let us in early, so CJ
Yeah, CJ.
was really nice.
Hats off to her.
We will give her a review on TripAdvisor like she asked. So she let us in the room half an hour
earlier. Yeah.
Half an hour earlier. Did warn us. So we're on room 4, no, floor 4, because it's the pay extra rooms. And she said that's the worst ones in the hotel. The big problem with this hotel is there's no air conditioning. We probably have come on a weekend that's not the best. It's been 27, 26, 28 degrees out both of the days, but it's been unbearable in the room.
Even with 2 fans.
2 fans on, full for 24
made no
hours.
difference.
No difference whatsoever. We've had
that much gap from outside.
Yeah, the window was tiny. We've had ice in glasses in front of the fans. We've had bottles of water. We had water in the sink that evaporated overnight. It was that hot. Yeah, it ruined what would have been a really nice couple of days actually. Because the decor of the hotel was nice. The staff were lovely. But you just can't sleep, and that's a big no.
Travelodge, why did you make this hotel with no aircon? It's ridiculous.
It's not even like it's an old hotel, so I think the hotel's only been up less than 10 years. You can tell that the hotel left and right, the Moxie and the Holiday Inn, both got air conditioning.
Yeah.
And this, I mean, if they had no air conditioning, that's fine, but then have windows that you can open. You can't have a hotel that's so hot, but you can't open the windows. It's honestly, it's been really bad. But yeah, so I just, in this heat, I could not recommend at all.
If it's hot, don't come and stay here.
No, definitely not. Which is a shame.
Or if you do, bring your own fans that.
Yeah,
need about 5 of them.
Bring your own air conditioning unit, I think.
Yeah, that as well.
Yeah.
Then your stay will be lovely.
Yeah. But otherwise, I don't think, no, don't. It's not a recommend. Cool. Thank you very much for watching. Click the buttons wherever they are to subscribe, somewhere down here, or there, or wherever.
Yeah.
But thank you for watching. Bye. Seriously, let me out. Let me out. There's Mary in. That's all I've got. I'm being kept prisoner in the Travelodge. It's so hot. Look at the view. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's a lovely sunny day. Do you know what the icing on the cake is? They left us a sign and said, oh, we've put a sheet on your bed, but if you prefer, if you get a bit cold, you've got this duvet down here. That has stayed well and firmly in its back. I don't think I could even, getting out the duvet would, oh yeah, it would be too much.